What if your home could feel beautiful today, tomorrow, and years from now? Classic vintage interiors offer the answer. With elegant details, warm materials, and thoughtful decorating, these spaces create a timeless atmosphere that never feels trapped in the past. Timeless design begins with the character of the home itself. Crown molding, paneled walls, traditional doors, arched openings, and detailed trim instantly create visual depth. These architectural elements provide a beautiful foundation for both vintage and modern decorating. Classic furniture remains beautiful because of its graceful proportions. Look for curved silhouettes, wooden details, upholstered chairs, and traditional tables. These pieces add sophistication without feeling overly formal, creating rooms that are both elegant and comfortable. Neutral colors make vintage-inspired interiors feel calm and sophisticated. Cream, ivory, taupe, warm beige, and muted gray create a flexible foundation. These shades allow furniture, artwork, and accessories to become the stars while keeping the overall atmosphere peaceful. Wood brings natural warmth into any classic interior. A vintage cabinet, wooden table, exposed shelving, or aged floor can instantly add character. Rich wood tones create a connection to traditional homes while making the space feel grounded and welcoming. Textiles bring softness and comfort to classic spaces. Linen curtains, patterned cushions, woven throws, vintage rugs, and upholstered furniture create beautiful layers. Combining different fabrics adds depth while keeping the room relaxed rather than overly polished. Lighting should feel decorative as well as functional. Vintage-inspired chandeliers, brass lamps, glass pendants, and traditional sconces can become beautiful focal points. Warm illumination also enhances wood, textiles, and antique finishes, creating an inviting evening atmosphere. Timeless homes often feature objects that feel personal. Display old books, ceramics, framed photographs, clocks, or collected treasures. Instead of decorating every surface, choose pieces that have visual or emotional value and allow them to tell a story. A classic kitchen can combine nostalgia with modern convenience. Shaker-style cabinets, open shelves, farmhouse-inspired details, traditional hardware, and ceramic accessories create warmth. The goal is not to recreate the past, but to capture its welcoming spirit. A timeless dining room should encourage connection. A sturdy wooden table, comfortable chairs, soft lighting, and elegant tableware create a welcoming environment. Even simple dinners can feel memorable when surrounded by thoughtful details and a sense of classic beauty. Bedrooms benefit from the softness of vintage design. Layered bedding, antique nightstands, upholstered furniture, and gentle curtains create a relaxing retreat. Choose understated colors and textures to maintain a peaceful mood while adding enough character to make the room feel special. Vintage mirrors can make a room feel brighter and more spacious. Ornate frames add architectural interest, while strategically placed mirrors reflect natural light. Whether above a console, fireplace, or dresser, a beautiful mirror can instantly elevate a classic interior. A timeless home should still feel practical for modern life. Pair antique-inspired pieces with comfortable seating, updated appliances, and functional storage. This balance keeps the design fresh while preserving the charm and personality that make vintage interiors so appealing. Trendy decor can quickly lose its appeal, but timeless design focuses on lasting beauty. Instead of copying every new style, choose pieces you genuinely love. When your home reflects your personality rather than a temporary trend, it naturally becomes more enduring. Classic vintage homes teach us that timeless interiors are built through quality, character, comfort, and thoughtful choices. By blending traditional details with modern living, you can create a home that feels elegant today and just as beautiful many years from now.